We are going to start the sample inquiry letter. Before it, we have learned the placing order letter, complaining letter, means the formal letter. This is also a type of formal letter. The format of this letter is the same as earlier given of a formal letter. Let us read the question of inquiry letter. You know why we do the inquiry letter, why we write the inquiry letter? Because we want to inquire anything. We want to inquire any course, we want to inquire any accommodation, any rent, anything, whatever we want to inquire, we can write any letter to the just the person who is offering the any offer, any advertisement that is being given in the newspaper. We can just inquire about that courses, etc. Now we are starting. Suppose you wish to join a coaching center for admission to ITI courses. You had seen an advertisement in the local newspaper. A1 coaching center for all ITI courses. Write to the director A111, Adarsh Nagar, New Delhi. Means director of A1 coaching center for all ITI courses. You wish to write a letter, inquiry letter to him just to know about the coaching for the admission to ITI courses. New Delhi. Write a letter inquiring about the duration, fees, timing, and two more things you consider important, or more than two which you consider. You are Manik, live at 88 Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi. Let's see. Means first of all you will write your address in 2 or 3 lines. After that you will write date also. Date is written here. You can see like this. Means, and after that the director A1 coaching center for all professional courses, A111 Adarsh Nagar, New Delhi, means its address also. If given, you can write. Subject inquiry about the coaching for ITI courses. Written here. Sir, this is with the reference to your advertisement in the local newspaper regarding the coaching classes for all professional courses. This is introductory line. This is needed to write on that. Now you can just say your actual message. What is your actual message? I wish to join the Center for Intensive Coaching for Combined Eligible Test to ITI. Means he has cleared, you have cleared what you want from him. That is why you have written you wish to join. Okay, and before in the first line you had given an introduction that through the advertisement that has been given by you in the newspaper, okay, you are just contacting them. Then you are writing, I wish to join the Center for Intensive Coaching for Combined Eligible Test to ITI, scheduled to be held in December this year. I would like to get the details of duration. Now you are telling, now you are asking what you want. In the first line you have given introductory sources to know, then you told what do you want to do, then you are asking him what the details you want. I would like to get the details of duration of coaching, timing, and add charges, other charges also. In addition to these, would you please let me know if any extra information you want to ask? If any extra information you want to know, you can write such line. In addition to these, would you please, means you should be very polite. Would you please let me know if there is a provision for separate tuition coaching in mathematics, because you are doing the ITI, you are going to get the admission in ITI courses. That is why you are asking him. If he had the provision, then he can tell, I shall feel beholden to you. I shall feel highly praised to you, obliged to you for the favor of supplying the information at the earliest. You can attach any envelope also. You can write, I have attached stamp envelope for your just so that you can send the information in that, or you can write the simple ones. I shall feel beholden, I shall feel highly obliged to you for the favor of supplying the information at the earliest. Your obediently yours. You can write yours. Yours obediently, Manik. Or your no problem, Manik. Now practice letter. See the practice letter. You have to do this letter in notebook. Your sister enjoying her summer vacation. You want her to join a short-term cookery course. She asks you to inquire about the course. Write a letter to the organizer of cookery course seeking necessary information about the course, its duration, charges, hostel facilities, dress code, etc. Hence, you can ask. You will write this letter according the letter is given to above. I think it will be very easy for you to write. So do practice and show me, send me the clicks of your just done work. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.